Yeah, so my name is Dennis Haynes. I'm part of the Simpson family, which was my Uncle Billy, aka Broken Cloud Billy Simpson. He was an inspiration to me. He was my uncle, but more like a father figure more than an uncle. Unfortunately, because of tragedies that happened throughout our family, things like just being dysfunctional family, breakups, death, divorces, just homes that are broken. My uncle ended up on the streets after my grandmother passed away and our family broke up. So this movie was an inspiration and an honor for me. This was a closure for me to see my uncle be a part of something that I never would have thought imaginable that he would do. He never really was the type to be in front of cameras, never really was the type to take pictures, let alone be on a big screen. He's like our first family member that's probably like, a movie star, in this sense. And it was just really inspiring and informational to find out things that go on that we take for granted every day as just normal people, or people that have a home, or people that have a family, or people that have support, But this movie shows that a lot of people don't have support, and they need love. They need family. They need all of us to come together. We all need to stand up, and we all need to fight for each other and make sure that things like this don't get this bad. And it doesn't have to be this bad. It's just about caring and having some generosity and having some love and just being able to show the next generation and build them up to where they can grow and they can flourish. So for me, this was just wonderful. It was wonderful for all the people. I appreciate everyone that's here. Tiny, her sons, her family, everyone in the whole Poor Magazine family. I just thank you from the bottom of my heart. This was really probably the greatest birthday gift to myself, which I came from Las Vegas to actually be here. So it was like a celebration. It was a closure from a funeral from my uncle. And it was just an opportunity to meet great people who have great hearts. And I just thank Poor Magazine and all the staff for everything that they've done.
Brother Dennis, thank you so much. I appreciate
You're welcome.
you.
Thank you.
You have
Thank you.